News just coming in, the Supreme Court has let off the Uttar Pradesh government for naming victims of rape in Muzaffarnagar, but with an unconditional apology. The UP government, already facing fire over handling of the Muzaffarnagar riots case, suffered embarrassment when it named rape victims in a court document. News just coming in, the Supreme Court letting off the Uttar Pradesh government off the hook for naming rape victims in Muzaffarnagar. Remember, this carries a punishment of up to 2 years in jail. The story was first reported on headlines today, last evening, when our reporter Jaskirat Singh Bawa got hold of that document that was freely distributed amongst members of the press and petitioners in the case. All right, but we are being told that the Supreme Court asked the Uttar Pradesh government to tender an unconditional apology. The UP government, remember, has already been facing fire over mishandling the Muzaffarnagar riots case. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Jaskirat Singh Bawa, who actually broke the story for us last evening. Jaskirat, the huge development, the Supreme Court taking cognizance of the story reported by you last evening.
Well, that's correct. The Supreme Court did take note of the fact that the Uttar Pradesh government, if we were to talk in legal terms, they were in clear violation of Section 228 of the Indian Penal Code, which protects a rape victim's name from being published. The lawyers offered an unconditional apology to the bench headed by the Chief Justice of India. Some more protest was drawn from the opposing counsel side, the lawyers for the rape victims. However, the Chief Justice said that an unconditional apology should suffice for now. He felt that it was quite content for the time being. However, that has been noted, the fact that the Uttar Pradesh government has been quite insensitive and lax in their submission by naming the rape victims has been noted. It was also noted that the lawyers of Uttar Pradesh, when they stepped out, had a quick word and a very stern word with the executive of Uttar Pradesh, also discussing the mistake that was made and acknowledging the fact that it was a huge embarrassment for them.
Absolutely. And Jaskirat, yesterday you told us there are specific sections of the IPC that actually deal with this and they carry a punishment of up to 2 years in jail.
That's right. Like I just mentioned, Section 228 of the Indian Penal Code is what it is purported to be in violation of. However, it seems like this matter will be rested for the time being because what the lawyers are maintaining is that this is not intended to go out as a public publication or for public eyes. But that is quite contrary to what actually happened yesterday. But as far as the lawyers on the opposing side are concerned, as well as the bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, they seem content with the fact that an unconditional apology has been offered by the Uttar Pradesh government on this issue.
All right, Jaskirat, thanks so much for that update. The Supreme Court taking note of that story reported by Jaskirat Singh Bawa last evening about the Uttar Pradesh government naming rape victims. The court has asked the UP government to issue an unconditional apology.